Hey, travel lovers, let's talk about packing your carry on like a pro because travel should be exciting, not exhausting. The two most important considerations: keeping your items organized and close at hand. Start with your electronics: laptop, tablet, phone. Don't forget the extra battery power and the cables. Snacks, absolutely. You never know when hunger will strike. Pack your cosmetics and hygiene items for those in-flight touch-ups and something to keep you distracted like a good book or magazine. Download them onto your devices for less stuff to carry. And of course, a change of clothes because delays happen. And here's the game changer: the ULTI travel bag. It's got a built-in TSA compliant electronics pad that doubles as a travel cushion. Sitting on the pad keeps you comfy, the bag behind your legs, so you get tons more leg room. Score! Plus, with its smart pockets and compartments, everything is organized and within easy reach. For the ultimate packing list, go to our website, conmigobags.com, and follow us for more travel tips. Conmigo, come with me on the adventure that is life.